Now, if you're interested in video, let's talk about that. Video, it works best if you have it on another site, right? I would use YouTube, but you can also um, use other kinds of IDs or other kinds of sites to post. Um, this is one way to get it to appear, and it can look quite nice. Let's take a look at how that would work. Okay, so let's say I want to embed one of my own YouTube videos. So I will go ahead and embed one of the ones I've just recently created. Oops. Hmm. Where are my videos? So if you have a place where you might post videos, you can embed them. As you can see, this favors and is set up for all of these US-centric sites. I'll show you how to embed any video as well. This is being rather slow. So let's go back to my post and think about how we would embed videos in two different ways. One is using this Aesop, um, right? One is using this Aesop. I don't want to edit the gallery. One is using this Aesop manner of doing it, and the other is there we go, is doing it directly. So first, let's do it directly, and then we'll do it using the Aesop method. Okay, here's my exciting post, right? My exciting video that I created for our class on writing a research proposal. Yeah, so I'm going to embed this using the Aesop method. So I've got my URL, and now let's say I want to stick a video right in here. I want to use Aesop. I want to use Aesop video. I'm going to use YouTube, um, and I just paste that in there, right? I think that then I can cut that out. Um, I'm going to go with a recommended 500 for now. I can always change it. I'm going to keep it centered. Um, do I want to caption it? Sure, I'll caption it. I'm just going to caption it with a caption as a kind of demo. You know, disable video on mobile devices. I'm not going to worry about that. Do I want to have a frame? I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not going to worry about most of this stuff right now because I'm not sure what all of it does. All I want to do is get this in my post and see how it looks. So this is again using the Aesop um, insert function, right? And so I stuck it in the middle here, just kind of pops up. Obviously, um, I might want to think about how this works. It's overlaying my photo. You can see I can make it bigger. I could go back and change the size. And you can see it doesn't overlap the text, but I'd probably want to rethink having these two components in here together, right? So I wanted a video, I'd change things. Now, I'd change things in terms of um, having these two different types of content in there. It's clearly not working, right? They're too close to each other, so I'd get rid of one or the other, or I'd move them around, you know. And if you want to move things, you can sometimes move them in text. Here's the Aesop. It's gonna be easier. So I'm going to move this down here. Maybe it'll stop overlapping my photos. Um, yeah. And, okay. Nope. All right. Yeah. Just messing with things. Now, what if you want to add a video, but you don't want to use Aesop? And what if you have a video on something like Yoku or some other site, right? you don't upload videos to American websites. So in this case, I still want to get my share button going, and many sites will have this, the embed, right? At that point, you just get this iframe content, you cut it, you copy it, you can tweak things a little bit. I'm just going to copy it just as it is. And then I'm going to go back into my post, and you have to go into the text side here because what you're doing is adding code. So I will get rid of this non-breaking space and just add that. Now that's in there. I can, you know, play around with the size of it later. So now I'll see the videos embedded in another way, right? And if we go and look at my post, it's going to be a bit of a mess now because I've got so much stuff happening. Um, let's see what the results are, right? I've got my Lightbox photo in here. I've got my embedded video. I've got my Aesop embedded video, right? This is, you can see the Aesop gives you a nicer presentation. This is just embedded in a slightly less effective way. Then I've got my slideshow down here, right? Okay. And of course, in reality, you wouldn't want to do all of this. You'd want to pick and choose. But even if you have content that is not on something like YouTube, you can embed it if you can get that iframe code, okay, that I just showed you. So those are the ways you can enhance your posts if you haven't already done so. If you have trouble or questions, let me know. And I can't wait to see how all of this turns out. All right, thank you. Bye bye.